Target acquired! Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be playing Hitman 3 Reloaded VR, and it might be a little bad graphics, but that's okay. And I'm just going to be messing around in a few maps. I might actually do a little bit of the story mode, but if you hear a TV in the background, it's just my brother watching TV. I'm trying to keep it down so you can listen, but I'm going to be playing Hitman 3 VR Reloaded, and hit the like button and subscribe and the notifications if you want to see more videos. I'm definitely gonna start posting more, just like you know, I'm just probably gonna be posting more. But let's get into it, and my first map will be the yacht. Alright, so my target is this Calvin Ritter guy, but I'm probably just going to be messing around. So, got some of this. And by the way, if I'm turning, I kind of don't mean to. I got stick drift on my controller. I do not know how, I just have it. Unlock the door. Take this. It's my murder weapon. Look at him. Just sitting there smoking. Hey, sir. No smoking on the job. And then let's just ditch this body. Yeah. Oh, people up there seen it. So I'm gonna try to get out of here.
Hey, see you
sir?
for drinks afterwards at Shenanigans?
No. Try to ignore cops, because they can know it could be me. Alright, I'm just going to go through here. Oh, crap. Oh, somebody realized it. Now, I'm going to set a remote detonator bomb somewhere where there's a lot of people. And, yeah, just stop waving your head, sir. And, let's do this. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you. Oh, crap. No witnesses. Over there.
Not on my watch, you don't. Hey, buddy!
Chaboom! Get down on the floor. Oh, I thought that lady had a gun. Stay down. Oh god. Where am I getting shot at from? No, I got it! Why did I do that? I got... Aww. What? Oh god, he seen me. He seen me. He seen me. He seen me. Hey, you. Dang it, I tripped.
What was that?
Oh, I hit him!
Drop something.
What the fuck?
Don't care.
I need some help here.
Something's clearly up. What is it?
Someone might be in need of some help.
Okay, I'll check it out.
Oh god! A bomb! Run! Run, everybody! Run! There's a bomb! Oh no, they know who I am.
Please, just drop.
This guy off! Holy
She'll tell me what to do.
I need to reload.
No, again! What do you think happens if I just throw it here? Okay, make sure nobody sees me. Start right here. And everybody flies that way.
shit! What?
They all fell off! Oh. Nothing. Sir! Ooh, smooth like butter! Alright, now I need to run. You're gonna die doing this! Oh, I got him good. What's in here? A bed. And everything, bro. What is on the floor?
Moving on to sector Echo Charlie.
Oh, I have an idea.
We're here.
Hasta la vista. I'm gonna let them all come in here. Say hello to my little friend. Dude, this is sick, bro. No, the door! Okay. I don't see them. Woo! Don't scare me like that. Alright, one's coming up to the door. How's he still shooting? Alright. Perfect, okay. Is there another gun? No, not here. No. Alright. Looking around, looking around. Oh, hello. What is wrong with my hand? Oh, okay, I just had to shoot. That should be all the cops, right? There is more. Okay, I don't even need that because it takes some longer. Wait a minute. Hello to my little friend. Yo. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. Stay there. Stay on the floor. Stand. Tell me what I need to know. Tell me what I need to know. Now. Alright, I'm in my room. Yes, mission accomplished. Get down, boy. Get down, boy.
Right there.
Sorry, I had to do it. Thing.
He's over there.
Don't
Whoa.
snitch. Snitches get stitches and die in ditches. Alright. Hostile. What? Oh!
No, don't shoot me, please. Don't shoot me.
Don't tell me what to do.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm getting my freaking butt out of here. I'm not taking the car. I'm gonna take the good way. But why is everybody down here? Bye, everyone. Alright, I'm out.
Once again, great work, Initiate. This exercise is available for as
I
long
look
as
so
you need.
skippy. Now we're gonna do this mission called Death in the Family. In this mission, you're in Dartland, England, whatever. Alright, well, he's an investigator. I'm going to...
That is
Check him
Phineas
out.
Whitmer, the famous private investigator, hired by Madame Carlyle this morning. I'm curious why he's here. Maybe you should do some detecting yourself, 47.
Alright, good. Took them all out. I'm going to be a detective, I guess. I will... Actually... Yeah, let's be a detective. Take the gun. How much ammo? 50. If you stock up other guns, you get more ammo. So... Then you can kill these people too if you want, which I am probably... It gives...
Hello, sir. Sir, if you want to get through, I'm going to have to pad you down.
I can't even do it because I have illegal items in my inventory. I'm climbing through this window, bro. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Where'd he go? I'm supposed to talk to a guy. Oh, he's in here.
I'm Phineas Whitmer, private investigator.
Ah, Mr. Whitmer. Madam Carlyle has asked me to be of assistance to you. I trust you've had a look around. Are you ready to see the crime scene now?
I am.
Very well. If you'll follow me, sir.
Alexa Carlyle, unofficial leader of the Provenance Partners, and last one to be alive.
He was found dead in his bed this morning. The door was locked from the inside, and a suicide letter was found in his room. However, Madam Carlyle suspects foul play and will not accept that he took his own life. I've prepared some information for you, so please do come and see me when you've finished your investigation of the crime scene.
Dude, I could punch
This
this
is Mr.
guy
Zachary's
right now,
room.
bro. Just a little.
To my right.
A locked room murder mystery, 47. I trust you'll get to the bottom of this.
I'm not here to solve the
You've
case.
likely not exhausted the room for clues, 47.
Wait, maybe I should at least just look through the clues real quick. I guess. But this is a little... I'm not gonna look for clues now, yo. I'm going to eliminate you with my fiber wire. This is absurd. Where's this weapon? Alright, don't mind if I do. I will now continue you. Now, if you want to see me look for clues, just comment. If you guys want to see me look for clues and see who killed him, comment and I will make the video. Nice day, right, sir?
What? I just need to talk
Sorry.
to you, sir.
About? Okay,
I'm warning you, mister.
you could check me. Psych.
You shouldn't have messed with me.
Oh, move out of the way.
He's in the corridor.
Give him all you got!
Okay.
No!
She's fire.
Somebody help me!
Wait. Alright, perfect.
Lost sight too. Lost sight too. Where is he?
Had to match their energy real quick. Okay. Oh wait.
Careful! He's in the corridor!
Oh, you just got nice.
Oh my god! Where is he?
Ooh,
Anyone
I'm
got a
in here.
visual?
Stand down.
In the corridor! In the
Oh, my gun's stuck. No, no! Ceasefire! 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 I'm gonna die. Yo! I'm out of ammo. Oh, yeah! Oh, God. Oh, I'm getting chippies. Help me! Oh, wait, hold on. No!
Are you gonna do something?
Ceasefire! I'm gonna die. Oh!
Oh, stop pacing, for God's sake, Emma.
Any kind of explanation. It's unwritten. That's what it is.
Alright, let me just shut this. Make sure no one's around. And then just... A sniper? Bet! Can I take more? Dang, bro. It's
The hell of a uniform you got there, guy.
A locked room murder mystery,
Thank
47.
you.
I trust you'll get to the bottom of this.
I will, just not now. Alright, time to snipe. Okay, so we got these people, but that's less of my interest. Just make sure they didn't know. We don't want her to figure out either, so we're going to kill her. And is there anybody heading towards her? No. Okay, so this is going to work. This is going to work. We're going to try to wipe out everybody back here. We don't have a lot of ammo left though. So this is I'll just leave this right here. If it's on the floor too. I really hope not. Oh my gosh, searching. No! I've been caught poisoning and just poisoned everybody's food.
Did I just... Oh my god!
Get down! I'm gonna put them all over here. Propane flask. Ooh, and then I'm gonna missing wrench. I'm just going to pull out my shotgun. And actually, let's do the silent.
No, I have to, but... Hey! What? Shit! Oh.
What is she doing?
Asked to come here. Madam Carlyle must believe Zachary was murdered. Why else?
I'm taking out everybody one by one. No, I hid. Okay. How do I get out? Okay.
You always led by example.
Sure, you know.
Hey, yeah! Contact! Contact! I have one. Figures 01. Civilian casualty.
Oh god. I'm gonna be hunted. What? Why do I have a unicorn horn? Yeah, I'm gonna kill you with the unicorn horn. Huh? I'm gonna kill somebody else actually. Hey, who are you?
Oh, fuck! Come in. Anybody there? Come in. Suspect is in the garden.
No, I'm not. Horn.
Whoa. Okay, let's sweep the area.
Yes, sir. Killing spree with the unicorn horn.
What the heck?
Okay, I got it. We've got multiple.
Hey, sir.
Come on, come in.
Oh, shoot! That's the guy.
Hey, I killed you.
No!
Come on.
Bloody hell!
Sir. Bullets! Shit! This is Rogue.
So what are you really up to?
Hey! Shit!
You saw what happened. It didn't happen by itself, that's for sure. Maybe you had something to do with it.
What the fuck?
Why did it take me so long to
Somebody,
play,
I
guys?
need help!
Hey y'all, just going to...
How are you?
Whoops!
Looking good.
No. Madam Carl is right there.
Not that I know of. No.
Just
Please!
Oh no!
How much defenses does she have on her?
You
Not
there?
a lot.
You have to help.
Hey, you!
Good night, Madam Carlisle.
I just found someone and they might be dead. I don't know.
Dang it. I'm gonna lose her. Yes.
That's Madam Carlyle taken care of.
Target
Time
acquired.
to get the file on Arthur Edwards.
We are authorized to use deadly force, gentlemen. Use that right and kill this son of a bitch.
Copy that.
son of a bitch! JHQ, Brave.
That's Madam Carl taken care of with a unicorn horn. If you do request the video with me figuring out all the clues, that's when I'll get the file and actually finish the mission. But here I just wanted to like knock out everybody, do a little fun thing, and maybe attract some attention to my channel. Now, I will in the next video start from here, look around, get a code, and find the code if you want that video. I hope you all enjoyed, and peace, homies, and don't forget to like and subscribe.